Hello everyone. Today I'll be sharing with you the secret to always smelling so fresh with a fresher, clear looking skin. Like your skin will look so beautiful and so amazing. So in order to come up with this very powerful recipe, the first very powerful ingredient you need is pear. Yes, these are loaded with high amounts of antioxidants to fight the effects of free radical, causing your skin to always bulge out ugly odors, causing your skin to age so fast, causing your skin not to look beautiful, and you in turn end up with a very beautiful and clear skin plus smelling so fresh and amazing. So what you need is two pears. You want to get them, take out the seeds, slice into some good little sizes. Pears are equally loaded with high amounts of vitamin E to boost collagen production for that youthful, beautiful, ageless skin. And like, this is so nice. So this is so good and loaded with little bit of so many other vitamins and minerals you need for healthy and fresher looking skin. So this is our pears. The next very powerful ingredient which helps to freshen up your pores, freshen up your skin for clear, beautiful skin, like you smell so fresh with beautiful, healthy skin, is orange. So what you need is one orange. You peel, and oranges are very good. Vitamin are loaded with vitamin C to help freshen up your pores, most especially from citrus fruits. They have that freshness they give to your skin, your pores, and all those ugly smells go away and you smell so fresh. Plus the antioxidants help to fight the effects of free radical. You know, when you have a lot of free radical effects on you, like when you expose your body to free radicals, you end up having body odor, you end up sweating and smelling so bad. So you need antioxidants from these fruits to rejuvenate your skin and have your skin smelling all nice, plus beautiful clear skin as well. So the next thing I add is lime, which is equally very good at cleansing your pores, cleansing up your skin and leaving it looking so healthy, smelling fresh and all rejuvenated. So this is one lime. You can use lemon. If you don't have lime, that is fine. Plus this helps to flush excess sugars in your system. When you have a lot of bad sugars in your system, your skin doesn't really glow healthy. So this flushes you out real good and so nice. Plus it boosts your metabolism, activate your system to flush out all those toxins, causing you to not look good from the inside. Yeah, so this is one lime. You slice up into some good little sizes and you're good. So as I mentioned earlier, lime or lemon, any of them, just so perfect. So this is it, and voila, that is the second ingredient. The third ingredient is apple. Apples are very cleansing and flushing. They flush your system real good. Plus these red apples contain high amounts of antioxidants. If you notice, I used a lot of ingredients with high amounts of antioxidants here to fight free radical effects, because that is what makes you smell. That is what makes you not smell fresh and good. So you end up smelling good. Plus that is what makes your skin not to look beautiful, and you end up with very healthy and clear looking skin. So this is it. One apple. If you don't have the red, you can go for the green, but trust me, this has more antioxidants, the red apples, than the green. So that is it. And I add in some ginger. When you want to cleanse your pores, to have them smelling fresh, to have them looking more rejuvenated, for clear skin, you want to add some ginger in here. And this is 1.5 thumb size of ginger, which will give you 1.5 tablespoons of grated ginger. So if you're using grated, 1.5 teaspoon of grated ginger. So this is it. It will cleanse your pores, freshen up. You know that beautiful cleansing effect of ginger that has that, it has a beautiful flavor to it. So it cleanses your pores. Those bad smells are gone, and the ginger now rejuvenates your pores, and you smell so good, and with beautiful clear skin as well. So this is it. 1 thumb size of ginger, chop up into some good little sizes, and you're good. So yeah, so talking of cleansing your pores for clear skin and to smell fresh, apple cider vinegar plays a very big role. Apple cider vinegar helps to flush bacteria from your system, causing odors, bacteria, making your skin to always have things like ringworm, eczemas, and have your skin so clear without all the skin congestion, and you end up with very clear, good skin, clear, fresher, beautiful looking skin. So this is it. I'll share with you the quantity, but what you want to do is to put these ingredients in your blender. You add in the apple cider vinegar much later. So you want to put in your ingredients in the blender: the apple, pear, orange, lime, and ginger. So you put it in there, and what you need is 2 cups of water. So you put 2 glasses of water. So I used glasses to measure this because I want to achieve 2 glasses of these. So you measure 2 glasses of water, you add in your in the fruits, and blend so well to you get a very smooth consistency that you can really get some real juice out of this for the cleansing purpose. And yeah, so this is it. Blend. Once you blend and it is okay, you can now get your sieve and a bowl to get the juice out of it. And please do not throw the roughage, the fiber, the pulp. Don't throw it. You can use it to add in your breakfast smoothie for fat burning. It fills you up but with less calories because it is roughage and very healthy to support you for weight loss. So this is it. I'm not throwing it, but what I need is just the juice. So I'm not throwing. You see, I'm trying to save that up to add in my smoothie, so don't throw it. So this is it. Squeeze out and strain out the juice, and voila, you can use a cheesecloth as well. So this is it. Serve up. If this is evening or morning, you can add in your breakfast smoothie or bedtime smoothie. Just don't throw it. So now the next thing you want to add in there is your apple cider vinegar. Apple cider vinegar keeps you away from bacteria causing odors, keeps you away from bacteria causing ringworm, all the skin congestion, and clears your skin from the inside. So this gives you clear skin plus fresher skin from the inside, very cleansing. So what you need, this will give you 2 glasses. So this other cup is bigger, so but if you measure, it gives you 2 glasses. So you want to drink one on an empty tummy in the morning without any food or oil obstructing the cleansing process, and 1 glass at bedtime. And trust me, you will come back and tell me how amazing you feel about your skin and how fresh you smell. And like, this is so nourishing and will leave in a lot of nutrients into your system for utmost health as well. So share this video with your family and friends so we can all stay healthy, smelling fresh, and looking good. Thank you for your time. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you again in my next video. Bye.